Before we begin this video, we have an exciting news to share with you. We are officially live with Radness app. Meet Radness, the first storytelling news app in under a minute. So watch tech stories and complete daily tasks on the app to earn Rad coins, which will help you to win Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G. Yes, you heard it right. We have monthly giveaway on our app and currently we are giving away Xiaomi Mi 10i 5G. So pause this video right now and download the Radness app from the link below in the description. Early users get 100 Rad coins as a sign-up bonus. Now let's get back to this video. Let's talk about Starlink and why it can be a big thing in the near future. Recently, SpaceX launched the satellite internet providing service Starlink, which aims to provide internet to places once we thought were next to impossible. SpaceX basically will launch 42,000 satellites over coming years across the globe, making it a revolutionary feat never achieved before in the history of humanity. They've already launched 1,200 satellites and constantly driving to launch more. You might ask, will this revolution actually bring a change? Believe me, it will. You all might already know that our current satellite networks are a joke. You hardly get any signal to make a call, let alone browsing on internet. But thanks to Starlink, you will soon be able to browse the internet at 130 to 150 Mbps. Now that's some serious speed. Folks in India might have to wait a little longer as SpaceX has not been able to get required permissions and hence is stalled. But SpaceX CEO Elon Musk have stated that it will take registrations from Indian citizens by the mid of 2021. People in US have already started using Starlink services and there is nothing but positive reviews about it, so hopefully we can expect something good from Starlink. So right now the question in your mind is, how do I get it? No, I'm not a psychic. I'm just a curious tech user like you. By the way, check out our app to get more juicy content on this topic. So to register for Starlink services, you simply have to visit their website www.starlink.com and fill in your email address and your local address to check if the services are available there or not. The registration fees, which is also the cost of the services per month, is $99, and if your application is approved, you will receive a confirmation mail after which you have to pay $499, which is the cost for the dish, tripod and the router. You just have to install the dish somewhere where there is no cover on the dish of any kind. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, shall we? Blazing fast internet speed anywhere around the globe, from the mountain tops to the deserts. It recovers much faster than the normal satellite in the event of storm or a disaster. All it needs is a clear sky. But in case of a normal satellite, it may take up to weeks to get it back to its working condition. Even though the satellites will be sent at a low Earth orbit, many experts say that it may pose as space debris to the other spacecrafts and may interfere in their work, claiming it as SpaceX's imperfect plan. Hardware installation might also be an issue as there is no hardware installation services at the moment. Another main disadvantage is the pricing. The service rates have not been announced yet in India, but in US it costs $499 for the hardware and $99 per month to avail the services, which falls a little on the expensive side. But I'm sure that SpaceX will find a way around it to place its foot on the Indian market. Overall, I think that this is a revolutionary piece of technology that will make the communication and internet browsing an out-of-the-world experience despite what the critics say. If you like the video, smash the like button below, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments below if you are signing up for Starlink service from SpaceX. See you on our app. Until the next video, stay rad.